Some people swear that the best way to get rid of gophers is by using gum. Double Mint, Wrigley, Double Bubble, Juicy Fruit, Big League Chew, Bazooka Joe, whatever your preferred flavor, there are keyboard experts out there that think you can get rid of gophers by tossing a few sticks in the gopher holes and calling it a day. So, does it work? Simple answer, no. Scientifically speaking, there's no poison involved and there's no extreme chemical reaction once it's not on. The whole basis for this phony life hack is the idea that gum gets stuck inside their gopher tummies. Basically the same thinking behind your mom telling you not to swallow gum when you were a kid. Depending on the gum, they might get whiter teeth, but other than that, you're just going to end up with a whole lot of nothing in return for cutting corners. The absolute best method for getting rid of gophers without having to bury several rolls of bubble tape or completely astroturfing your lawn is by signing up for our new Gopher warranty service. We build a custom plan to get rid of your gopher problem using methods like trapping, focus baiting, and even fogging when necessary. You can learn more about that service in the link in this video's description. The materials used are scientifically proven and efficient. 99% of gopher infestations can be cured in just a few treatments. Have you ever been hit by gophers? Do you have them now? Have you tried the Juicy Fruit method? Make sure to let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Make sure to send us your question and we'll answer it in a future episode.